MyScoreIQ Honest Review. Watch before using. If you're looking for a credit monitoring service with a focus on identity protection, MyScoreIQ is one of the top options out there. It provides access to your FICO scores, which are used by 90% of lenders, making it extremely relevant if you're serious about managing your credit. You get 3 bureau reports, alerts for changes in your credit profile, and dark web monitoring to safeguard against identity theft. The platform also offers $1 million in identity theft insurance, which adds peace of mind. Who is MyScoreIQ for? If you're someone looking to build or protect your credit, or if you're preparing for a big financial move like a mortgage or loan, this tool gives you essential insights. It's especially beneficial for those who want a comprehensive look at all 3 major credit bureaus, Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax, instead of just one. It's designed for those who prefer real-time alerts for new inquiries, changes in account balances, and even public records like bankruptcies. A notable feature is their identity theft protection. This goes beyond just credit monitoring by scanning the dark web for your personal information. If something suspicious pops up, you'll be notified immediately. One drawback, though, is the cost. The service isn't cheap, with plans starting at around $29.99 a month. But considering the comprehensive features and identity protection included, it's worth the investment if you're serious about your financial health. Another downside is that the app can feel a bit clunky at times, especially when navigating detailed reports. In summary, MyScoreIQ is best suited for individuals who need a reliable, comprehensive credit monitoring solution that prioritizes identity theft protection. The integration of FICO scores, identity insurance, and dark web scanning sets it apart from cheaper services. However, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option and don't need all these premium features, there are simpler alternatives. But for those seeking top-tier protection and detailed credit insights, MyScoreIQ delivers.